Muy buenas tardes, mi nombre es Jonathan Oyarzún, soy de Avance Chile. Esta canción va dedicada, por supuesto, a toda la comunidad del Grupo Home y en especial a Don Jesús en su cumpleaños. Esto es Black de Pearl Jam. Sheets of empty canvas under sheets of clay, where lay spread out before me as her body once did. Walls of horizons revolver round to the soul as the earth to the sun. And now the air I taste it and breathe has digging into her. Oh, and all I told her was everything. That she was. Right now my bitter hands shaped beneath the clouds. Oh, what was everything? All that beaches had. Open was the black, tattooed everything. I take a walk outside. I'm surrounded by some kids of play, and I can feel their laughter. So why do I see it? Oh, and twisted thoughts that spin round my head. Oh, I'm spinning. Oh, I'm spinning. How quick does our care drop away? And now my bitter hands weight on broken glass. Oh, what was everything? All that pictures had. All that was the black, tattooed everything.